Today we're going to talking about the research paper writing process. So first of all, for the purpose of this workshop is to identify and examine the component essential to planning and executing college level research writing assignment. At the end of this workshop, student will be able to identify and conceptualize the essential step in the research paper writing process. Access valuable campus resource to help at various stages of the writing process. Use time management strategy to plan for the successful and timely completion of research paper project. There are few steps in this progress. Firstly is pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. The assessment classification is first to read the assessment carefully, underline directional statement, define, identify, analyze, argue, and etc. Third is underline the due date, identify evaluation criteria, and ask questions. The time management is to write down all due date, break down the research resource process into steps, assign a due date for each step, make weekly and daily priority list. The topic solution is previous knowledge, course content, personal or professional experience or interest. So ask yourself to who, what, where, when, why, what is it similar to or different from, and what are the cause, what are the consequence, what is the essential function, what are the definition, what is the history, what is the present status, what case can be made for again it, how did it happen, why did it happen, what is my personal reaction to it, and identify the subject. I mean the subtopics. So brainstorming strategy. For the brainstorming, you can listing, mapping, and pre-writing. You can also do library visit for browse the Drake Memorial, tour the library, meet with a reference librarian, or learn the difference between secular journals and other periodics, and look at the source. You guys open source like with abstract, make note of chart with the reference list, and read introductory and summary paragraph scheme body. The topic focus. For the topic focus, go back to your original subject and focus it further case it further based upon the information you glean during the next repair activity. And discovery button thesis. From a thesis statement or question that will guide the rest of your research and writing, focus topic plus assertion equal to thesis. For the discovery preliminary thesis, you can firstly topic environmental issue connected to global warming. Focus topic is the coal fires. Thesis question is how prevalent are the coal fires? In what way do coal fires contribute to global warming? What proof is there that coal fires in fact contribute to global warming? And the thesis statement is the raging in mines from Pennsylvania to China, coal fire, threaten town, poison air and water, and add to global warming. So this is the example of this example. And the outline is make a list. The main point. This point will form the organizational pattern of your paper. Make special note of concept from your source that you wish to paraphrase in your text. Draft an outline moving from an ID to details and revise tests as needed. And this is the mapping for the thesis. This is a draft. You can start to use it. Integrating source. This is paper remain abundant reference to professional source that is your research paper will generously populate with the voice of the published expert. Your job is to manage those voices, to synthesize them, to use them strategically. So that's all the, and then there is the integrating source. You can integrate your source, and the efficient checklist is reread the assignment sheet, underline your thesis, read aloud, label the topic of each paragraph in the margin, revise main ID, consider clarity and relevance. The revision checklist, there is revise detail, consider clarity and relevance, check for cohesion, check documentation format, check grammar, punctuation, word voice, and spelling. So for help, you can ask help to your professor, librarian, writing tutors, content tutors, and model of successful research paper. So that's all about today's video. See you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in next time.